When it comes to generating income through PayPal, there are several methods available. However, in today's video, I'll be focusing on the most effective approach I utilize. This method not only enables me to travel to various incredible destinations around the world, but also allows me to earn passive income directly deposited into my PayPal account each day. If you take a look at my PayPal account, you'll notice numerous payments logged in, thanks to the unique method I employ. Throughout this video, I'll guide you step by step through this process, so be sure to watch from start to finish, as you're bound to gain valuable insights that can potentially transform your life. So, how did I manage to establish this online business model that consistently directs funds into my PayPal account? Essentially, I achieved this by promoting products and services offered by others. This eliminates the need for me to develop my own products or hire a team. Instead, my sole responsibility is to present my unique affiliate links to potential buyers interested in the products or services I promote. This process, known as affiliate marketing, is arguably one of the simplest ways to earn money online. Now let's dive into the key steps you need to follow to reach the point where you can start earning your first $1,000 deposited directly into your PayPal account. Firstly, you must decide on a profitable niche. This entails choosing a category in which you'll focus your efforts. It's crucial to understand that not all categories yield the same level of income. For instance, niches like pet care, baby products, electronics, and financial investments each offer varying commission structures. Personally, I've found success by promoting around 50 unique products, primarily in the realm of online financial investments. This choice aligns with my expertise and interests, making it easier for me to effectively market these products. However, your success in affiliate marketing hinges on selecting a niche that resonates with you and offers ample earning potential. In essence, by strategically selecting your niche and leveraging affiliate marketing, you can embark on a journey toward financial freedom, with funds flowing directly into your PayPal account. So, let's delve deeper into the intricacies of this lucrative venture. If you're considering delving into affiliate marketing and possess advanced knowledge, digital currency might be a niche worth your attention. When establishing your online business, your level of expertise plays a significant role. Having a deep understanding of the niche you're entering increases your chances of success. Therefore, thorough research into various categories is essential. Look for niches where you can confidently promote products or services. Once you've identified potential niches, the next step is affiliate linking. This involves researching different products or services within your chosen categories and finding reputable companies to partner with. Conducting thorough research ensures that you align yourself with products or services that have the potential to generate income. Now, let's discuss the crucial aspect of constructing a distribution channel. This is where I've found one of the most valuable lessons in my affiliate marketing journey. Creating a distribution channel is essential for driving traffic to your affiliate links. Whether it's through a YouTube channel, a blog website, or platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, establishing a presence where you can share your affiliate links is crucial. Creating content on platforms like YouTube or a blog website allows you to attract organic traffic. These platforms enable you to showcase your expertise in your chosen niche and build a loyal audience over time. Alternatively, short-form platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest offer opportunities to reach a broader audience quickly. In my experience, focusing on platforms that facilitate organic traffic is ideal, as it minimizes advertising costs. While paid ads can be effective, organic traffic offers a sustainable way to grow your affiliate marketing business without incurring additional expenses. Ultimately, the choice of distribution channel depends on your strengths and preferences. Whether you opt for long-form content on YouTube or a blog, or prefer the immediacy of short-form platforms like Instagram or TikTok, ensure that your chosen channel aligns with your niche and allows you to effectively reach your target audience. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into the strategies for maximizing your reach and optimizing your distribution channels for affiliate marketing success. Many affiliate marketers advocate for building distribution channels organically. This approach not only enables you to monetize your channels through advertising others' products and services, but also lays the foundation for generating income from digital assets in the future. Personally, I've invested in various assets such as YouTube channels, websites, and Instagram pages. which serve as platforms for promoting affiliate products and services. However, the key to success lies in constructing a distribution channel that resonates with your target audience. By focusing on creating content that appeals to your audience's interests and needs, you can increase the likelihood of them clicking on your affiliate links and making purchases. In the following sections, I'll delve into specific strategies for effectively building and optimizing distribution channels to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. From content creation to audience engagement, we'll explore actionable techniques to drive traffic and conversions, ultimately leading to increased revenue. But before we delve into the details, let's address a fundamental aspect of affiliate marketing: choosing the right products or services to promote. This crucial step can significantly impact your success as an affiliate marketer and requires careful consideration. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you.